Welcome to RunSafe Security Minute, your fast pass to tackling tough cybersecurity questions. 1 minute, one expert, zero fluff.
How have SBOM regulations driven adoption globally?
Sure, I'd be happy to take you through the journey about how SBOM regulations have started to drive their adoption. But first, we should take a quick step back to speak about how we got here. Two major software supply chain attacks revealed the urgent need for SBOMs. First, the SolarWinds attack in 2020, which was a sophisticated breach affecting many US government agencies, exposed the lack of visibility into software components and the vulnerabilities that come with them. Then Log4Shell, which was a severe flaw in the Log4j Java library, underscored how difficult it is to identify and mitigate the risks without knowing what's in your software stack. These incidents demonstrated the devastating potential of supply chain attacks and positions SBOMs as a key tool for improving transparency and managing risks. But early efforts to promote SBOMs focused more on recommendations than on enforcement. The turning point came with the 2021 executive order on improving America's cybersecurity. It directed federal agencies to request SBOMs from their software vendors. However, this lacked teeth. It set guidelines, but didn't include penalties or mechanisms for their enforcement. Over time, these guidelines have evolved into enforceable requirements. The FDA, in March of 2023, required medical device manufacturers to include SBOMs in their pre-market submissions for medical devices. And device makers that don't comply can get rejected during the approval process. The US Army in August of 2024 announced regulations requiring SBOMs for nearly all new software contracts, and that includes commercial off-the-shelf products. And then globally, enforcement's also ramping up. In the EU, the Cyber Resilience Act, which goes into full effect by 2027, will make SBOMs mandatory for many products. Germany has already issued technical guidance that aligns closely with the guidance here in the United States. And then in the UK and Australia, they've endorsed SBOMs as a best practice to secure supply chains. So in short, SBOM enforcement has become much more proactive. What began as a set of recommendations has become a global standard and is reshaping how organizations have to think about and secure their software ecosystems.